Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about a very important burning issue all over the world and particularly in India. So that is piles or hemorrhoids. Piles and hemorrhoids both are the same thing. Piles is a layman word and hemorrhoids is a medical word. So today we are discussing few things how to prevent piles. So I am Dr. MDP Raja, Chief Proctologist of Hitam. So the first one, avoid refined food. So whatever we get from bakeries, uh, whatever we get from fast food centers, all are refined food. They are junk food, fast food, junk food, Chinese food, everything. They are not having fiber at all. So fiber is a very important substance that will clean the GIT and that will help in very good bowel movement. So in refined food, you won't get any fiber, and it should be avoided. So processed meat and red meat both are very bad things regarding fiber. They won't have any fiber. So if you are eating red meat and processed meat very regularly, you are in at a high risk to get hemorrhoids very soon. So try to avoid this and minimize the consumption of these meat products. Avoid pickles. So Indians are very fond of pickles. So it contains a lot of mirch, and people they use if they regularly eat pickles, they'll have some sort of irritation during defecation, and they'll spend more time than normal uh, on the commode. And if you spend more time on the commode, again there is a possibility of getting hemorrhoids. So avoid fried food. Fried food is also not at all having any fiber in them. So better avoid fried food. So here is a very interesting thing. Alcohol. Alcohol, if a person become addicted to alcohol, the first possibility is liver pathology. When a patient develops liver cirrhosis, means hardening of the liver, it it gives rise to portal hypertension, and because of the portal hypertension, patient or a person will get secondary hemorrhoids. These are not because of the constipation. This is because of the alcohol and liver pathology. A person will get secondary hemorrhoids. So that should be avoided. So coffee, and recent research shows that coffee is one of the um, uh, product that is giving high risk of uh, hemorrhoidal incidents. So coming to the lifestyle, during defecation, Western commode must be avoided because we are using squatting position since centuries. So since thousands of years, human mankind is following squatting position to defecate. So here we need to understand a physiological aspect. So between rectum which is a reservoir of the stools, and anal canal is a passage of the stools. So between rectum and anal canal, there lies a puborectalis muscle that makes an angle between rectum and anal canal. So if you are using squatting position, means if you are using Indian commode, so that cuborectalis muscle will be relaxed, and the angle between rectum and uh, anal canal will be straight. So defecation is complete completely possible. But if you use western commode, incomplete evacuation, so it results in incomplete evacuation. And this western commode was introduced for the comfort of the people since last 200 to 300 years, and the incidence of anorectal issues also increasing since last 200 to 300 years. So sedentary lifestyle, because of the more number of gadgets, and because of the work style, changing work styles. So now sedentary lifestyle is becoming more and more in young group. So this sedentary lifestyle is not having any physical activity, and this will give rise to lazy colon, where a person will have very less reflex, and colon doesn't respond much to the reflexes. This is again one more important thing: don't spend more time on the commode. In European countries or Western part of the world, they take a newspaper into the restroom, and they'll finish off newspaper while defecating. So they'll spend a lot of time in the restrooms. Here, our people are taking mobile phones into the washroom. They finish off WhatsApp and Facebook all in restrooms, and this is giving um, more pressure on the anal canal, and this will give rise to hemorrhoid formation. So this is one of the again one of the most important thing. Avoid straining. Some people, they have a habit of completing evacuation before they want to go to the before they go to their workplace. So they go to restroom, and they strain a lot even though there is no reflex. So it must be avoided. If you strain more, there is always, it is directly proportional to the incidence of hemorrhoids. So avoid prolonged sitting. It must be avoided because prolonged sitting is a very high risk factor for incidence of hemorrhoids. So if you are your job is a working sitting job, always take a break for every 1 hour, move around, have a glass of water, and work again. Another one, which is again a very high risk factor, is driving. So drivers are at a very high risk. So if you are not a driver and you are driving, don't drive too much. This is very, very, very important. Don't postpone the reflex. The Ayurveda says vega nadarayet. So whenever you get reflex, you have to obey the reflex. Some people, they postpone the reflex because of a lot of factors. Some people, because of they are cooking. Generally females, they postpone their reflex because they are in the middle of their cooking job. And some people, they postpone their reflex because of their meetings. Or some people, even kids, they postpone their reflex because of their mobile games. So whenever you postpone the reflex, the stools again stays in the rectum. Rectum, the reservoir of the stools, is a place where fluid reabsorption is very high. So it reabsorbs fluid from the formed stool, and stool will become very hard for the next time. So it must be avoided, and whenever you get a reflex, you have to obey them. Use a stool for proper potty. This is again very important. When if you don't have any Indian commode, and if your age is above 50 years, and you are unable to sit in a squatting position, you can adopt this posture. You can keep a stool below your uh, feet, so that your knee joints will be high than your hip joint. So there is a possibility of good amount of relaxation in puborectalis muscle, and anorectal angle will be maintained. So there are few metabolic issues. One of the most important is hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism is having a lot of factors, so lot of symptoms and signs, and thyroid is considered to be the master gland for everybody. So hypothyroidism causes constipation. So you have to monitor hypothyroidism. You have to monitor diabetes. In diabetes, if diabetes is not under control, person may develop neuropathy changes. So if a person develops neuropathy changes, he is unable to identify the normal natural defecating reflex. So this will harden the stool, and this increases the incidence of chances of incidence of hemorrhoids. So drink plenty of water. It gives softness to the stool, and take plenty of fiber. Our Indian food habits are having more fiber in their as their ingredient. So fiber is a very very important thing that gives cleaning of the gut as well as motility of the gut. So take leafy vegetables. Leafy vegetables that gives proper evacuation. Take fresh fruits. So many people are in a doubt whether fruit or fruit juice, which is better. So fruit juice is concentrated and it contains a lot of calories, but fiber is very less. If you take fresh fruit, you will get adequate energy, you will get necessary nutrients, and you will get a lot of fiber. So take fresh fruit as a whole. So you can take sprouts. Sprouts are having fiber as well as antioxidants. You can take microgreens. Microgreens are nothing but if you leave sprouts for another 2 3 days, it becomes microgreens. Microgreens are very rich source of fiber, and that helps in easy evacuation. Papaya is a proved fruit that will give a good evacuation. Study says GABA, if taken GABA regularly, 40% of the people they had very good stools. So you can take GABA and buttermilk. Buttermilk, according to Ayurveda, buttermilk is a very good product uh, to avoid piles and to treat early stage of piles. So if you take buttermilk as such, or if you add some jeera to it, jeera powder you can add, that gives very good appetite, and it avoids or formation of hemorrhoids, and if small hemorrhoids are there, it destroys the hemorrhoids. So stay active. So whatever the method, whether you run or walk or you do some cardio or skipping or cycling, anything is helpful. So stay active. That prevents lazy colon problem. So to have proper evacuation, stay active. So let us make a world free from piles, and this is released in the interest of public by Hitam. So for more details, you can contact Hitam Ayurvedic Anorectal Institute, Hyderabad. Thank you. Have a great day.